Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Judging from the title, you know that this is a purple shampoo video, and I know that I already have a purple shampoo video up on my channel, but all the comments kept requesting, can I use liquid food coloring, can I use purple, can I use, and all those many questions. Like, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to create a video so that you guys can see. And yeah, I hope that that works out quite well. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial, you should go ahead and watch it, because at the end of this video I'm going to be giving pros and cons so that you can compare and see which one is better for you. And yeah, that's basically it. So stay tuned, watch to the end of this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you somewhere along the way. Purple shampoo is basically all about color theory, and this chat is going to help you explain everything you need to know on color theory. And if you have any other questions, leave a comment. I'm going to begin with purple liquid coloring, some really nice fancy water shampoo, empty container, a dowel, and then your really badly bleached hair. I changed my mind and I'm going to go in with this Isana Professional shampoo, and then I'm just going to pour a good amount of it into the empty container, and then I'm going to open the bottle. And because I want precision, I'm going to go in with this injection thingy because I didn't want to use my dropper, and I'm going to inject some of the purple color into the bottle, and then I'm going to mix it. I know it looks a little bit blue, but that's basically because it's more of blue undertones than pink, so it looks more blue than it is purple. I don't know if you get it. I'm going to cut the hair for demonstration purposes so that you see the before and after, and then I'm going to wet the hair and I'm going to pour some shampoo into my hands, and then I'm just going to start mixing on the hair. So the color I used wasn't as concentrated, so I decided to go in and pump some more food coloring into my hands and then just mix and apply to the hair so that it's really concentrated, and I'll explain in a little while. And then I'm going to go in with this other hair which is slightly bleached more than the other one, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to apply the purple shampoo to it. As you can see, I'm really getting in there, getting everything, and then I added some other color. So here is the hair when it's washed. I know you think it looks a little brassy, but I'm going to dry it out so that you can see. So here is what we have. As you can see on the left, we have the original hair, and you can see it's looking a little orangey, and then on the right we have the toned version which has like a little bit of rose gold undertones to it. And then I'm going to show you the other hair which was lightly bleached so that you see how different it looks. Like it's completely toned out. So you have come to the end of the video, and now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to give you the pros and the cons. Okay, so we have a straight line, and then we have purple shampoo with dry food coloring, purple shampoo with liquid food coloring, and then I'm going to just give you the verdict. So number one, I prefer the purple shampoo with dry food coloring because the color is more intense. You can control the way it really goes. With the liquid one, everything was just all over the place, so I actually do prefer the dry purple shampoo to the liquid one. And then for the liquid purple shampoo, I feel like when you use the liquid, you can tweak it a little bit more. Like you can really make it intense, or you can make it as light, because you can keep adding more. It's going to create more pigment, it's going to create more undertones. But with the powdered one, like once you just mix it, that is it. You don't get like in the first video I was dropping into liquid and checking which one was giving. And then this one, you already know that okay, this is purple. I could add more blue into it so that it's on the blue side. I could add more pink to it so that the pink is not really needed. I could add more blue to it so that it's more on the blue side. And I don't know, you can add more blue to it so that it's more on the blue side. And then it's going to work if you have orange hair or if you have more brassy undertone. So talking about how long you have to put it in, for the liquid purple shampoo, I had to leave the purple shampoo to actually stay in the hair much more longer than I left it in the powdered shampoo. And then also the liquid wears off more, because I realized that the first time I did the try, I put the purple shampoo and then I thought it was going to be like, okay, 5 minutes. I put it for 5 minutes, and then when I rinsed it out, everything just washed with it. So that one, it didn't really stain, because the purple shampoo, if you took really like keen notice, it left me like the pink was really more. I had to go back and adjust the blue, but the pink was really leaving like pink undertones on the hair. This one, it wasn't, it was not really attaching itself to the hair. Like with the powder one, you could actually even color your hair with the fruit color, but the liquid one, I couldn't. It wasn't, I mean, like after it just toned the hair, it didn't deposit color. That's what I've been trying to say. It didn't deposit color. And then again, you have to leave it to stay in the hair for a very long time, and you have to make sure that your shampoo is super saturated so that you can get the best use out of it. Okay, so that is it for this video. If there's any other changes I notice after filming this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write down the description box, or I'm actually going to list it on my screen. But I hope you did learn something and you did take something from this video. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.